Experience the perfect interplay of the SIMATIC S7-1200 with a new task-oriented engineering framework, modular controllers, and the integrated WinCC BASIC for the configuration of SIMATIC panels. This podcast gives you an overview of the network and device editor. From the portal view, you can navigate task-oriented to the net view. With one click on the Configure Network button, the net view with the configured devices opens automatically. The graphic display of the net view shows the complete networking of the devices. With the network and port connections marked in color, you always keep an overview. The labeling of the networks and devices can be freely selected. The tabular area of the new view contains various tables for existing devices, connections, relations, and communication settings. This is where additional information is listed in a clearly structured way. You can quickly find new devices with the intelligent filter functions in the hardware catalog. Device types can also be easily replaced. As an example, the unspecified controller is replaced by an S7-300 CPU. In the Open Selection dialog, all detailed information regarding the selected controller is clearly displayed. The ports of the controller are connected with the respective network via simple drag and drop in the graphic net view. By double-clicking the controller, you go to the device view. This is where you have fast access to the changeable parameters in a context-sensitive way. If, for example, the IP address of the controller is to be changed, simply click on the Industrial Ethernet port. The IP address parameter to be changed will be instantly displayed. Another feature in the net view is that you can check all network addresses with one click. With the Connections function, you can configure a communication connection graphically. Depending on the selected connection, the nodes for which such a communication connection is possible are marked in color. An existing connection is highlighted by moving the mouse across a subnet, and then selecting it in the selection window. A highlighted device is simply copied with drag and drop, whilst pressing down the Control key. For extensive plant configurations, you can quickly navigate to all configured automation components with the Overview navigation window. In the Topology view, the Ethernet modules with the corresponding ports are graphically interconnected. Check the topological interconnection by clicking Go Online in the function bar. If the offline configuration corresponds with the real physical interconnection, then the line is displayed in light green. If a communication disruption occurs, the respective connection and the respective ports are highlighted in red after automatically updating the status. Additionally, the diagnostic status is displayed in the tabular range of the Topology view. Summary. The Device and Network Editor provides you with an efficient editor with 3 different views. Each view is perfectly tailored for certain configuration tasks. In the Topology view, you configure the interconnections between the ports. In the online mode, differences between the target and actual topology of your plant are instantly detected and marked in color. In the device view, with its photorealistic display, you can easily and conveniently configure your hardware. In the net view, you interconnect your devices with a subnet and configure the communication connections. With this view, you always maintain the overview of your connections. Additional information is provided on our website.